Turn on any news station. You'll catch the latest headlines. President Trump imposes a 145% tariff on Chinese imports. Suddenly, chaos engulfs the media world. Economists raise concerns. Commentators foresee disaster. Prices will soar. Profits will plummet. Economic turmoil is just around the corner. It's easy to get drawn into the panic. At first glance, affordable products seem to be disappearing. The reality is that US companies moved production overseas, particularly in China, seeking lower labor costs. With tariffs now in effect, the logic appears clear. Bringing manufacturing back home implies higher wages. Doesn't that also lead to higher prices? This narrative insists higher tariffs equal higher prices, leading to reduced profits. Compelling, isn't it? But wait, this narrative is much more nuanced than meets the eye. While many focus on today's news, I'm looking to the future. What do I observe? It's not about manufacturing's demise. It's about a revival, a resurgence, a triumph. The real story goes beyond tariffs. It involves technological advancements. It centers on innovation reshaping American manufacturing. What drives this transformation? Robotics, automation, artificial intelligence. This isn't mere speculation. It's happening already. Over the last 10 years, the cost of advanced automated factories has significantly dropped. Consider this about robots. They are never late. They need no breaks. They never strike. And they execute tasks with remarkable accuracy. Automation eliminates the labor cost advantage of overseas factories. This returns manufacturing dominance to the US. Let's focus on General Motors. In Detroit, GM launched Factory Zero, a fully automated facility redefining American manufacturing. This plant features advanced technology, robots, AI, intelligent systems. GM took further steps. They recruited Jens Peter Clausen, known for Tesla's Gigafactory, to enhance their manufacturing approach. His focus? Utilize robots for hazardous or repetitive tasks. Meanwhile, humans concentrate on their unique skills. Clausen remarked, "We'll see human robots working together to amplify productivity and efficiency." GM's AI tool, Spark Eyes, inspects welds rapidly and accurately. This improves quality, reduces costs, and minimizes mistakes all at once. This isn't just a vision of the future. It's occurring right now. Next is Amazon. Famous for fast delivery, have you seen behind the curtain? It's an automation wonderland. In a recent earnings report, CEO Andy Jassy emphasized their commitment to robotics. Their stats are impressive. Amazon utilizes over 750,000 robots collaborating with workers. These machines pick, pack, and ship products faster than any human. Many miss this point. Automation hasn't cut jobs at Amazon. Instead, it fostered more skilled, well-paying, and meaningful employment. Tesla does more than manufacture electric vehicles. Its gigafactories in Nevada and Texas showcase expertise in AI, robotics, and cutting-edge technology. Tesla claims, "We're investing in AI, robotics, automation for a sustainable future." They produce batteries, vehicles, and clean energy technology faster and cheaper than ever. This isn't merely a tech upgrade for a few companies. This signals the dawn of Industrial Revolution 2.0. The first revolution was about steam, steel, and machinery. It shaped the modern world. It positioned America as a global leader. The second revolution, it's powered by robotics, AI, and intelligent technologies. And it's happening now. This revolution will lower costs, boost productivity, and make American products viable, even with rising wages. Companies embracing this transformation will thrive. Investors recognizing this shift beyond superficial headlines will emerge champions. Yes, tariffs cause temporary upheaval. Yes, the concern is valid. However, the broader story, it's far more exhilarating. Robotics acts as the great equalizer. It's how we read jobs, It's how we sustain competitiveness. It's how we achieve success. This transformation isn't about supplanting workers. It's about empowering them, providing superior tools, creating improved job opportunities, offering a brighter path forward. So, when news headlines scream doom, remember, don't underestimate American ingenuity. Don't undervalue American industry. And above all, never bet against America. Thanks for watching. If you like this video and you're enjoying the content, please hit that like button and subscribe for more videos like this.